Alright, good day. So let's discuss about one of the important lessons in linear algebra, which is the matrix factorization. Right, so tighagpamaagi yun sa pag-factor sa isa ka matrix. Right, but today let's discuss about LU decomposition or LU matrix factorization of a 2 by 2 matrix. Alright, so basically this is the formula. Matrix A equals the L times U. L is our lower triangular matrix times the upper triangular matrix. We have the steps to solve this one, right? These are the steps. Step number 1 is we will write it this way: the elementary matrix times our given matrix equals the U, or the upper triangular matrix. So we will write our matrix this way. Okay. Step number 2 is matrix A equals the inverse of the elementary matrix times the upper triangular matrix. And remember that the inverse of the elementary matrix is our L, or our lower triangular matrix. So they are the same. Okay, so let us have our example. Determine the LU decomposition of matrix A equals 3294. So let us solve this problem. So basically, we will write that matrix saying ani nga pamaagi. Right? We have our E, the A, and the U. Right? Follow? What we have here in our A, na diri is ang our ato ang kuan given nga problem here. So we have the 3294, and atong elementary matrix, ang iyang diagonal na is 1, right? Given na siya 0 sa babaw and any number here nga atong makuha later. And here, this is our upper triangular matrix. We will have any number here dito sa tulo, right? And always ni 0 dere. The first thing that we are to do is we need to perform a single row operation dere sa ato ang given, right? Ato aning i-process ni himuon nato ni kaning matrix, himuon nato siyang upper triangular matrix, right? Ang goal is himuon ning 9 mahimong 0. So I have here this one. Unsaon ka nato ni paghimong 0? Unsay i-multiply nato sa row 1, i-plus nato sa row 2 to make it 0. So I think atong i-multiply sa row 1 is negative 3, right? This one. So we will multiply negative 3 sa row 1 and add it to our row 2 to get our values here sa row 2 pikas. Right? So let's solve. Since ang atong goal is change lang ang value diri sa row 2, therefore ang row 1 nato is as is lang. So here in our solutions below, let us just rewrite this row above, right? 3 and 2. 3 and 2. Asa nagikan? Dire na ako nang rewrite. Now, what will be the values here? The values here is, let's multiply negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. Negative 9 plus 9, the answer will be 0. So we'll have 0 here. Right? 0. And negative 3 times 2 is negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. So negative 2, right? So we have here now, this is our upper triangular matrix. Nabuo na siya. Now, our problem is to get the value here. Unsa ang value nga atong ibutang diri? Ang value nga atong ibutang diri karon is our multiplier above. What is our multiplier? Our multiplier is negative 3. So, mao na ang atong ibutang nga value diri sa atong elementary matrix. So, negative 3. So, that is our solution sa step number 1. Alright? We have our E, A, and our U. Okay? So, nanay mga sulod ato ang mga matrix. Right, so let's proceed to step number 2. Step number 2 is we will write it this way: A equals inverse of the elementary matrix times the U. Right? So, unsaon na siya pagsulat? So, this is our step number 2. We have this here, our A, inverse of E, and the U, the upper triangular matrix. Ato sa isolve daan ang inverse sa E. So, how to solve the inverse of a matrix? Ingan niyon sa pag-solve equals inverse is 1 over 1 times 1, that is 1 times 1 minus negative 3 times 0, and let's multiply that sa ani nga matrix, but let us swap the numbers kaning 1 and 1 ato sa swap. Right, nagkataon nga 1 and 1 pareha sila, so inig-swap na to pareha ra gyapon 1 and 1. Pero kung 3 diri 2, so nagbalhin diri na ang 2, diri na ang 3, ana siya, swap sila. And the value of negative 3 here, ang atong isulat diri is iyang opposite. So negative 3 here, we will have positive 3. 0, so ang atong sulat diri is 0 lang pod, kay wala man ay sign si 0. Pero kung 2 ni diri, ang butang nato diri is negative 2. Ana na siya. And this is how we write the inverse. Pero ato pa ning i-solve later. And multiply na to siya sa atong upper triangular matrix, 3, 2, 0, and negative 2. Right? Let's solve this inverse here. So, tanaw na to kung pila ni. 1 times 1 is 1. Minus 3 times 0 is 0. So, 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1. 1 lang na siya. So, di na ta magsulat diri. 1 times kani nga matrix is as is, siya ra gyapon magawas. So walay mausab, ato na lang ning i-rewrite. Tama, 1 man tong answer diri tanan, 1 times kani nga matrix. So as is gyapon ni siya, dili siya mausab kung multiplyan nimo og 1. Okay, 3 and 1, and let us write the upper triangular matrix, 3, 2, 0, and negative 2. Okay, so here makita na to, mo na tong L, and beside that is our U. And atong isulat diri ang ato ang given mga problem, which is matrix 3, 9, 2, and 4. So this is our A. Now, nakuha na to ang answer. So this is now the LU decomposition of this matrix. Okay? This is the LU decomposition of this matrix. Okay? So pasabot sa LU. Sa L is lower triangular matrix. Kani nga triangle dere na ay mga value sa lower triangular. Okay? Sa babaw niya 0. Sa upper triangular matrix is ang upper nga triangle ang naay values. Okay? And sa ubos kani is 0. Ubos ani nga diagonal 0. Babaw ani nga diagonal 0. That is our LU decomposition of this matrix. Now, how do we check kung tama ang ato ang solution? Simple lang. Ato ang i-multiply ang kani. Multiply na to ning L times U. Kabalo naman taon saan pag-multiply ang matrix, no? Nag-multiply na to, expect nga ang result niya is kani nga matrix A. So that is how we check the LU decomposition of a 2 by 2 matrix.